handle me? Who gonna handle me? He think he a player, he a member on the team. Hot Girl Zi is here, y'all. She is ready for action. So don't go anywhere. I got a hot video planned for you. Hey y'all, it's Z to the I to the A to the S-I-A. What's up, what's good? It's your girl ZiAsia here, and I'm back once again to slay your day. That's right, so if you love all things beauty, fashion, and fun, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Yo, okay, first things first, it's too damn hot for this. When I said I wanted to do YouTube, I didn't know I had to be in here sweating under these hot ass lights. Y'all ain't tell me, I ain't signed up for this. Today's video is being brought to you by Ebony Line, as they graciously sent me another unit, guys. I'm just so blessed. I can't even put it into words. And if you guys are wondering, this unit I'm rocking right now is from QT Hair. I reviewed it last week. It's still holding up very, very well. I feel like it's perfect for this heat, guys, because I've been going through it and I love not having hair all down my back. So yeah, shout out to QT Hair. And if you haven't yet, make sure you check out that video. Now, if you know me, you know I will try just about anything once, and that especially goes with my hairstyle. So this is Zury Sis Sassy-H-Nox, and I have her in the color SEABLUE. Ooh, this color is amazing, hands down. It's so amazing, and I'm loving the quality of this hair. It doesn't have that yucky look that I hate. Yeah, no tangling, no shedding. Okay, Zury Sis. So they went ahead and added some baby hairs to this unit, which I think is a very, very nice touch. So we have 2 clips at the very, very top, 2 on the side, and 1 in the very, very back. And we also have the adjustable strap as well. But bump all that, what I really want to show you guys is this parting space. It is a very, very good start, but I do think I will go ahead and open it up just a little bit more just to make it look more natural. Because this unit is not a natural color, we want to make sure that our parting space looks as natural as possible. So usually I pluck the part once I install the unit, but I found that it's easier to do it on a mannequin because it gives you better visibility and it allows you to make a straight line from front to back. One thing I do like about this unit right off the bat is that this parting space does not have those ugly black dots, so it'll be easier to make look natural. For this kind of parting space, I'm just going to pluck from the very, very sides, very slowly, so I don't pluck too much. I'm going to be plucking little by little until I achieve the parting space I want. So this is about as much as I plucked from that parting space, and I don't want to pluck any more until I get the unit on my actual head. So just to give you guys an idea, that's what the unit looks like right now, and hopefully that will be enough to make this unit look as natural as possible. Woo! Oh my gosh. Jesus, is that you? See, look, y'all getting a real Zi now. I'm sorry, y'all done watched this video too long. I didn't care about my wig. Okay, so she's this nice chin length bob. Okay, she's definitely sassy. I see why she got her name. I love the bluntness of this bob. I'm a sucker for a good asymmetrical, and Zury Sis, honey, they killed it with this one. Show you guys the back. Yes, so my neck can breathe. This is my kind of unit. Okay, so since plucking the part, I am experiencing a little bit of shedding, which is probably my own fault, but I just thought you guys should know. One thing I like about this unit is that it's not all one shade of blue. You have some light blues and some darker blues in there, which I love. I feel like it gives this unit character. This parting space looks super realistic. I probably won't even add powder just because I feel like I don't want to get any on the hair by mistake. But I'm loving this. I love the texture of this hair. That's the number one thing with me for any synthetic unit is the texture. The texture has to be right, and the texture on this unit is right on the money, honey. I'm gonna wear her like this. I paired it with these cute sunnies. I feel like the blue of these sunnies matches the color of this hair perfectly. Excuse me while I feel myself. So overall, I have to say I love this unit. I don't have any issues with it. I feel like straight out the box, it came ready to slay. It's the perfect throw on and go wig. I mean, you might not want to throw on a blue wig and go. You might want to style that a little bit, but it doesn't take much. It is definitely a low maintenance style. But anyway, that's it for today's video, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this one. I want to send a huge shout out to Ebony Line. Thank you again for sending me this wig. I really love it, and I can't wait to rock it on my next night out. And thank you for watching. I had so much fun, and I can't wait to do it all again next week. See you then.